DegreeWorks is a degree audit tool designed to help students and academic advisors monitor progress towards degree completion. To access DegreeWorks, log into the MyWCTC portal. Locate and select DegreeWorks. The top of the degree audit displays your student ID, name, program, degree, academic advisor, and associate dean or dean. Additional items that display may vary from student to student. Examples include academic standing, financial aid eligibility, and holds preventing registration. If you are pursuing more than one program, select the drop-down arrow on the navigation bar under Program to select which degree audit you would like to view. Keep in-progress courses and pre-registered courses checked to include courses currently enrolled in or registered for in a future semester. Here you can view historic degree audits. If you've made any recent changes to your schedule, we recommend that you select Process for an updated degree audit. Here you will see your program progress. Please note when remaining requirements are in progress, the audit will not reach 100% until final grades are posted and all requirements are complete. As you review your audit, you will see different symbols to indicate progress. If you hover over the symbol, information will display. A legend of all the symbols can be found at the bottom of the degree audit. This section includes the number of credits required for your program, credits already applied to your program, catalog year, and program GPA. It also displays if you've met the minimum total credits required and how many credits are remaining, placement requirements, and program requirements. Programs requiring reading, writing, and/or math will display additional courses required based on your placement assessment. Additional placement coursework may have to be completed prior to enrolling in certain program courses. Please check in with your academic advisor if you have any questions regarding your course placement. This section will indicate minimum grade requirements, minimum program credits required, minimum program GPA required, minimum credits earned from WCTC, and lists all of the coursework required to complete your degree. It displays the courses you are registered for or courses that are in progress. It displays courses completed, credit earned, and grade earned. Here you see prior learning assessment credit was applied for employment success. Here you see advanced placement or AP credit for microeconomics. Here you see transfer credit for Intro to Psychology from UW-Milwaukee. Here you see alternative course option. If you click on the course number, it will display that there are sections that are available in an upcoming semester, course description, and/or course prerequisites. Programs with an embedded technical diploma have a unique display to show courses that allow you to complete an embedded technical diploma first, and then continue on to complete the associate degree. Check in with your academic advisor for planning to ensure that you are staying on track. There are two sections that may or may not appear based on coursework taken and academic progress. Courses taken but not meeting degree requirements, and courses taken and courses not applied to the degree. The courses displayed in these sections may be in progress or successfully completed courses that do not apply to your program and/or courses that have not met grade requirements or that you have repeated. Here you see courses that you are currently enrolled in and future course registrations. In-progress courses will display a half-shaded circle and indicate that the requirement will be met when the course is successfully completed. This section will update with any changes to registration. The upper right-hand corner displays three icons. The printer icon allows you to create a PDF file of your degree audit that you can print or download. The envelope icon allows you to contact your academic advisor by email. The three dots or ellipsis allows you to view your course history. Select Resources and find additional information regarding DegreeWorks. Link to information about how to change your program, and link to graduation application when you've completed your degree requirements. DegreeWorks is not an official academic transcript or an official notification of completion of degree requirements. DegreeWorks is designed to support and facilitate academic advising, but it's not intended to replace your academic advising meetings. Your academic advisor is ready to meet you to answer any questions about your degree audit and to develop an academic plan.